Condemning the recent attacks on journalists, Broadcast Editors Association General Secretary N.K. Singh, speaking exclusively to NNIS, said that there is a very clear case of hostility against the media. Calling the government corrupt and criminal, N.K. Singh warned the government.
There is a very clear case of hostility from the powers that be against media. Broadcast Editors Association cautions, warns these governments that perhaps they are not understanding the power of democracy, they are not understanding the power of public opinion, and media has only this as a weapon. We will ensure that public opinion goes completely against these corrupt and criminal governments who have been perpetrating violence against media persons. This is quite disgusting. Not that a journalist has been attacked, not that somewhere in the country a journalist was subjected to high handedness by the powers that be. That is not the issue. The issue in particularly in Shahjahanpur is of a different nature. There is a very clear cut dying declaration of the victim who had suffered 60% burns. In criminal jurisprudence, dying declaration under section 32(1) of the Evidence Act carries a very sublime position. It carries high evidentiary value. And that victim journalist had categorically said that at the behest of a UP minister, the inspector of police with his 4 sub-inspectors and some goons of the minister scaled the wall of his house, broke open the door, and then beat up the journalist and subsequently poured petrol and lit matchstick. Indian constitution has a quasi-federal nature and law and order is a state subject. As such, centre's role will be advisory only, but to my mind, when media is being attacked with impunity, with a clear-cut, palpable connivance of those in the power, it shows that there is a breakdown of constitutional machinery. So, the central government can first send a note, a very harsh note, and then if things do not improve, they can impose president's rule. But I would suggest that as of now, center must send a strong letter to these governments, erring governments, and media is capable of handling this situation on its own.
Powered by NNIS.